good, everybody? I'm back on the Street Fighter, having a little bit of a, I would say morning ride, but it's about 10, so it's kind of like, it's still morning, but it's like close to midday. And I forgot to clean my helmet, because I can see a whole bunch of junk and stuff stuck to it. But yeah, close morning to midday ride, because I kind of got a little bit bored of being cooped up in the house a little bit too long, working on uni and then working on the videos. I was like, yeah, you know what, this weekend I need to get out on the bike and do the thing that I like doing the most, being on the bike. Now, I have given the old girl a good clean, managed to get a lot of the water spots off and dust and stuff that's settled. But now that I'm noticing, what I'm noticing now, is I need to go over a couple of spots with a microfiber cloth to just polish it off, because I did put polish on her to make it look a lot shinier, a lot cleaner. I touched up the carbon and it all looks nice. Yeah, I'm just going on a bit of a joyride. Instead of always going down south towards Fremantle, I am heading up north. And yeah, see what the roads over that end, that neck of the woods is like. Because, you know, you always need new routes. You can't be doing the same routes, it gets stale. So I was just like, you know what, let's go, let's do that. And officially, I can say winter has started to set in, because it's extremely wet, which is normal for WA. Like, not flooding wet, but just a lot of rain. And the just general air temperature is ridiculously chilling. So right now it's 21, and good God, on the bike with the wind, does not feel like 21. No sir, does not feel like 21 at all. It feels like you're maybe in like between the 14 to 18 mark. It's cold and chilly. So I have, well, you can't really see it, but I've laid up. I've got my perforated jacket for safety, got my hoodie, and then I got my shirt, because I was just like, you know what, I need a woolen hoodie on today. And boy, was that a good decision, because I would be in a world of hurt dealing with this cold right about now. Because I'm shivering even now. But yeah, I am just going around, or not going around, but going up to scout out some decent, you know, routes and whatnot, because yeah, getting bored. And it's a perfect excuse to take the bike out after a good clean and a good polish and a good waxing to yeah, just go for a bit of a joyride. Still some water drops that have congregated since the bike was just sitting still in the garage. Yeah, so haven't done a lot of planning or things to talk about in this, so it's essentially just gonna be footage of me doing shit, potentially doing shit. So we'll see how that turns out. This can be, yeah, just one of those chill rides where you don't get up to too much mischief. And by the way, we are coming up to a very nice turn, actually. Should be interesting. Sweeping two-lane, like as if hell. We'll do 40. Get stuffed. little bit more knee dragging. Now I really hope my mask hasn't fallen out of this jacket, because I just realized I hadn't checked. Because if I do stop over somewhere, I'm gonna need it. I see some red and blue in my rear view. Well, they're pretty far off, so it might be ambulance, but who knows. Like ambulance. And I wasn't paying attention what the hell my bike GPS was telling me, whether it was a left or a right. Right, city center. Could have made it. Ugh. You can tell it's getting cold, my nose is running. Fucking hell, you could have made it, dude. Like, doesn't look like there's dedicated motorcycle parking, it's just car parking. Well, that's the case. I'm taking up a bay then.